Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the phone, update Chrome or Safari, and sign into your Google account. Once done, don't use the Google Earth app. It lacks the historical time slider on mobile. Instead, open Chrome and navigate to Earth. Google, com/web. Make sure location services are on so the map centers correctly. If you see the simplified app-like interface, pause. The next step switches you to desktop mode, so you can access the only available historical imagery control. Once you've loaded Earth, Google, com/web, request the desktop site from the browser menu. This unlocks the full UI, including the time control. Next, search for your site and zoom in until the imagery sharpens. Historical layers show at appropriate zoom levels. Then locate the clock or time icon in the top toolbar and tap it. The historical imagery slider appears. Drag slowly to preview different dates. You're using desktop features on mobile, which is why this step is critical. Now use the slider to move between captured dates. You can press play to animate change over time. Make sure to pause at the frame you need, because screenshots or screen recordings are the reliable way to save views on phone. Note the displayed imagery date so you reference it later. If the slider is missing or unresponsive, clear browser cache, reload the page and re-request desktop site, or switch to another browser. Those steps usually restore the desktop controls on mobile.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.